Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this horror color grading and filters in CapCut. So if you want to give your videos that creepy cinematic horror vibe, this ultimate guide for this is for you, and I'll show you how you can do horror style color grading using CapCut on mobile. So what you need to do here is just open your videos in CapCut. So this is the video that I want to edit, and then you can just head to the filter menu, click on filter and tap on the movies category, and in here use the open aimer filter. So here I'm going to set it into around 82 or 83. Now tap on the adjust options and you can follow the settings. So the setting actually is depend on your videos itself, but you can also follow this one. So for the brightness, you can lower it. Here I'm going to lower it to around -9, and the contrast, lower it, I'm going to go with -8, and the saturations, I'm going to increase it a little bit to 4. And for the brilliance, I'm going to lower it to -20. And here click on HSL, and for the yellow color, I'm going to set the hue into -24, and for the green one, I'm going to lower the hue to -100, and for the saturation, -15. Let's go back, and here I'm going to click on the grabs and add dots in here, and I'm going to make it a little bit like this. Okay, you can go back, and now here I'm going to click on the hue and lower it to around -22. And if you want to, you can also add some vignette effect. Here I'm going to add around 9. Tap on the check icon, and now this is the final look. So that's pretty much all. So you can follow my adjustment and also color grading in here for your footages. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Like if CapCut made editing so much easier, and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks for more editing tutorials. Bye.